I bought these electric corkscrews so that I can test them and see which one I think is going to be the better value. So let's get into each of them and we'll figure it out. This is the Circle Joy stainless steel rechargeable wine 6-in-1 gift set, and I have it right here. So I bought it because I like wine, and honestly, I had a really sad wine opener. So that's why I got this. All right, so let me kind of go over what we have. And yes, I do have, of course, I do have my bottle of wine. So this is an aerator. I don't know if you can see that. You can pour it straight down in there. And for reds, having a little bit of air in it actually helps bring out the flavors. You have a foil cutter that's right here. This is a manual pump wine stopper. So as you can see, it opens up like this because there's a hole here on the bottom. You put it in and you basically, it's like vacuumed. So you're gonna receive 2 of those. And then of course you have your wine bottle opener. So let's go ahead. Oh, perfect. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and let's try to use it. All right. So we have our foil cutter and we're just going to put it on. Give her a little squeeze and turn. Comes right off. Love this. All right, so the way that this works, if you can see in here, that's where your actual corkscrew is. So you're going to have this, which is the bottom one is going to have the corkscrew go down, and then this is going to lift it back up. So let's bring her down here. I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and press the button. And you know what? Let me see if I can't bring you up a little bit closer. All right, so you're a little bit closer now. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. And then, boom, done. All right, so my bottle of wine is there. It's opened. And then I'm just going to press this, and it should give me the cork. Oh, it does. How cute is that? And there's my cork. So it is a little on the loud side, yes, but I like it. Okay, and then this, I'm going to put it in and then press this, I think. Let me see. Press in, press down. Oh, you pump it. You pump it to create the vacuum. Okay, cool. And that's how that stops. So overall, I like this gift set. I'm not going to pour this because I'm not ready to drink the wine just yet. This does come, it is rechargeable. It comes with a USB to a USB-C. You probably have tons of these lying around. What it did not come with is a block. So if you do decide you're going to get this, you're going to need to get a block for yourself. But I have the salt and pepper shakers from Circle Joy, and I love them. So this is actually going to sit probably right next to it. So if you're looking for a gift set to go and give someone that likes wine, I think this is perfect for that. If you are looking for something that is going to be handy for yourself in the kitchen, why not? You deserve it. So yes, I highly recommend. I got this Rabbit automatic electric corkscrew because, well, I have a habit of breaking all my manual corkscrews. And so I thought, hey, why not? Let's try it. So I liked this one because it's really no frills. It's not difficult to understand. It just is. So here's some of the benefits and how to use it. All right, so first we're going to unscrew this just a little bit. And as you can see, you have this. This is actually a foil opener that's going to take off our foil here. But right here is actually where you're going to charge it. And you do receive this. It's a block and at the end of it is like a USB-C 3. So that was kind of interesting. I don't normally see something like this. Usually I see like just a USB to a USB-C 3. So if you have one of those cords, that'll be okay as well. Okay, so in here inside the foil cutter, you're gonna see these two metal circles. That's actually the cutter. So what you're gonna do is you're going to want to make sure when you put this on your wine bottle, you're going to want to make sure that that is very secure up against the wine bottle itself, because that is what is going to cut the foil on your bottle of wine. And did it do it? Yeah, it did. It didn't go all the way around, but that was a me problem. Boom. Okay, now the way that this works, it's super simple. It says that it should be easy and it should not be difficult to use. What we're going to do is we're going to go and put it down. Oh, there it is. You just press down. I can feel it. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. So I didn't have to really do anything. It's like it knew what I needed. All I did is I pressed down just a little bit and it started to go in and do the cork. And then once I pulled it out, then it started to spit the cork back out at me. So it really does seem to know what it is that you need. And it's no mess, no frills. It's, nothing fancy, just your electric wine opener. So if you are looking for something that's going to make it easier for you to open up your bottles of wine, I recommend picking this up.